In today's video, we'll show you how to place market and pending orders on TradeLocker. Once you've logged in, this is the default layout you'll see. Navigate to the right and select the instrument you wish to trade from the list. You can also browse through categories or simply search for it in the search bar. Let's take GBP/USD as an example. Click on the instrument and both the chart and the order panel will update for that pair. In the order panel, make sure it's set to market to place market trades. Adjust the lot size using the plus-minus icons or type it in manually. Next, click Sell or Buy according to your strategy. Turn on one-click trading, click Confirm, and that's it. Your trade has been placed. Now, let's place a pending order. Click on Market in the order panel to switch it to pending. Go to the chart and set the price using the pending order line. Drop it above the current market price to place a sell limit or buy stop. Drop it below the market price to place a sell stop or buy limit. Adjust the lot size, select Sell or Buy, and your pending order is placed. You can also place trades by expanding the order panel using the upward arrow. Keep it on Market to place market orders. Select Sell or Buy, adjust the lot size, and confirm. To place a pending order, switch to Pending. Set the price using the plus-minus icons or by typing it in. Choose Sell or Buy, adjust the lot size if needed. Your pending order will appear below depending on price you set. Just click it and the order will be placed. And that's it. Placing trades on TradeLocker is that easy. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.